You may see the black ribbon here, which means the hazard class is not assigned for the ingredients. If you click the ribbon here, you can proceed to copy paste the ingredient here to search for the hazard class in the system. If in case there is no hazard class available from the selection, you may self-publish the hazard class by clicking the green button here. You may choose to the classification that you wish to select here. I'll stick to CLP and I will click this tab here. And I will proceed to tick the classification that I want my ingredient to be classified as. The left side is for hazard classification and this right hand side is for specific concentration limit. My ingredient is classified as H225 flammable liquid 2. So I'll select this. And another classification is eye irritant 2. Here. And eye irritant 2 carries specific concentration limit. So I will search here as well for H319. The concentration limit is more than equals to 50. Then I'll click save. Currently, I have on hand the classification that I wish to assign, but just in case, if you wish to search for the hazard class from the reliable source, you may click here. This will direct you to the CNL inventory. You may search for the harmonized classification and also the rest of the classification published by notifiers here to compare. I will close the window. On the other hand, this icon here will enable you to search the cast number. So I insert the cast number. And from here, if you click here, it will redirect you to the info card. From here, you can click here to get access to the ECHA registered substance web page. You can proceed to click here and move around the web page to search for the classification published by the registrants. I'll close these windows and I'll get back to here. So once the selection is made, you can click save here. I'll select OK and close it. And I'll click here to publish the classification. Click yes. I'll close this window and I'll get back to here to search under my published for the classification. I have another publication done before. So this is the classification we newly inserted. I'll click select. I will proceed to classify rest of the 2 ingredients as well. So again, I will copy paste this cast number under here. And I'll search under cloud first. This is the classification I wish to assign. Moving on to methanol. As you can see, there's a list of hazard class available here. To ease my search, I will shortlist here by selecting CLP and roughly see the classification here. And this is the classification that I wish to assign, so I'll select here. And now all the ribbons turned purple, which means all my ingredients are classified. Now we can proceed to assign the hazard class for the final mixture.